Hey everyone, Sterling here. Today we're launching a powerful new tool generation API that solves one of the biggest challenges in AI development, getting agents to take real-world actions. We're making it possible to instantly convert any API from Postman's Public API Network into an agent-ready tool. Imagine you want to build an AI agent that curates your daily news. You want it to search the New York Times every day and find articles that match your interests. Maybe tech articles during the week, but lifestyle and arts on the weekends. To make this happen, your agent needs to interact directly with the New York Times API. This is where our ToolGen API comes in. On the tool generation page, I'm going to go to the search bar. I'm going to type in the API that I'm looking for, and this will search the public API network. And we've got the New York Times. Let's choose the language that we want to use, JavaScript or TypeScript. There are more languages on the way, and I'm going to choose the agent framework, in this case, Anthropic for me, and we'll generate the code. And just like that, we get production-ready code that lets our agent interact with the New York Times API. This code is ready to be copy and pasted into your agent. Your agents can now easily process payments through PayPal, manage documents in Notion, post updates on Discord, and interact with thousands more APIs. Links to our new tool generation page, our public workspace, and our Postman community forum are in the description down below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI and API content. Thanks for watching.